It feels good, nice and sunny. About to unload this bike and get our day started. You already know. It's about to be 12 o'clock, so let's go enjoy our day. And before the sun goes down, so let's try to have a good time. Let's unload this bike. Got a lot to unload. Gotta take all these straps off. Let's get inside this navigator. And get our boot bag and everything situated, our helmet and all that stuff. And I'll see y'all once we are on the bike and all that. So guys, I got the bike out and we about to get started. Just putting my gloves on. And me making sure everything is good before we jump on this thing. Make myself nice and comfortable. We good on gas for now, so we gotta drive around for a little bit. Let me just put this little charging wire away here, so don't be in my way. Tuck it in there, it should be good right there. But let's get on this bad boy. I'm gonna have to kickstart this because my battery is actually dead, so I'm not gonna be able to turn on with the electric start. I should got a battery from the gate before I came down here. Get the kickstand back out of here real quick. We're gonna turn this thing on. If I can get myself balanced on it real quick. Put the choke out. And let's turn this bad boy on. Darn now. From all that traveling, shaking around in the back, changing weathers and all that stuff. Need a little bit more than one kick. Usually turns on one kick, but not this time. Get my little mirror off real quick so I can be able to see. Let's get out here, man. Off what's going on here. See anybody that's calling. Maybe to use our GPS, making sure we good. We're about to get ready to drive around Miami. See what Miami has to bring on the bikes. So, let's go. South Beach. We'll drive around South Beach for a little bit. That's what we were supposed to jog at earlier, but you know, we couldn't make it over there. It was a little bit of a jog. Days we're gonna get up to that level. We just gotta keep grinding hard, you know what I mean? That thing is mean though. crazy, but we just got back to the Navigator. That thing was fun just driving around, but it's too damn hot. So I'm gonna go inside the room, relax for a little bit, and think about what I'm gonna eat for dinner, because it's about to be 3 o'clock. So I gotta decide what I'm gonna eat for dinner. I'm gonna let all my gadgets charge up a little bit, because my GoPro batteries all started dying and stuff when we was riding. And yeah, just put this bike back up and get to the hotel room so we can relax a little bit, get some more energy back in us, and figure out what we're gonna eat so we could go out there and go explore, just probably walking around throughout the night and stuff like that. Probably go down to over there to South Beach and stuff. We're gonna try to catch an Uber or something over there and stuff, because I gotta take the car, but I don't want to lose this parking, especially, you know what I mean, where I'm at, because I need the access to take the bike in and out the back there. So if I move this thing out of this parking here, I might be in a tight situation that I won't be able to take the bike back out if I want to later on or something. But I mean, just mount the bike back on the back of the Navigator for now, and go in that room, go relax, and like I said, decide what we're gonna eat. Got done putting everything back. Now it's time to get into this room and relax for a little bit before we continue on and go get something to eat and then continue on with our day. Let's just get back into this room and go relax. So guys, we didn't rest after all. We went out and got something to eat. We're here at this little spot getting some pasta. See how the pasta is gonna taste. Hopefully it tastes amazing, because I'm starving and I'm gonna bust that thing down. But for the meantime, let's see what else we gonna get here to drink and stuff. We just got done eating. I just got my leftovers here in the bag. I didn't eat everything. I kind of got filled, so I'm just gonna go back to the hotel, go relax, and enjoy the rest of the day at the hotel and stuff like that, because I'm exhausted from riding that bike and exploring earlier and doing all that jogging and stuff. But for the meantime, let's make our way back to the hotel. Let's go relax over there, go chill probably back at the hotel, something next to the water, and just enjoy the little river there, whatever ocean that is. I don't even know what that is, a river, ocean, whatever it is. Still was amazing, but we're gonna go over there and relax. So start making our way over there. We're about like 30 minutes away from where we ate at, so let's do this little walk and make our way back to the hotel. So we're here back in the room, and it got dark outside, so I'm gonna let all my gadgets charge up, get some editing going on, and yeah, just chill in the room for a little bit, probably go back outside, enjoy the back for a little bit. I was gonna go straight back there, but decided to come straight to the room and just relax for a little bit, because I needed to relax from that long walk back to the hotel here. But let's sit here in this hotel and then figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the night here. We might just go back out there in a few after we get some energy back in us and stuff. But for the meantime, we're gonna sit here, watch some TV. I'm about to get my computer set up over there and get some editing going on. So I'll see you guys in a few once I get everything situated, figure out what we're gonna do. But for the meantime, let's sit here and relax.